Hey guys, ready? Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Stephy's Face. If you're seeing this amazing beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome. I'm Stephanie and you're welcome to this space. My returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. See you guys there. This video, I need to film this video as fast as possible. Like I have so many factors stopping me from filming this video. One, I'm setting up and Nigerian NEPA decided to take light. So everybody around me, their gen is on now making noise. Hopefully I'll be able to silence all the noise around while editing this video. But anyways, they cannot stop me from making this video. And yeah, I have less than 10 minutes to film this video because my daughter was going to be back from school. As you can see, my face is even glammed. I'm about to go out as well, but I decided to film this video definitely before going out. I don't know why the light at my back is just shaking. But yo, I must film this video. No matter what the obstacle is, no matter what it is, I am going to what? Film this video. Anyways, I know by the title of this video, you guys already know what the video is all about. Yeah, we got a new camera. But before I show you guys the things I got, like I got plenty things for this camera. But before I show you guys the things I got, I want to say thank you to God for His provision. Honestly, like providing the money to buy this camera, because this camera is not a small money at all. It's not a small money. My only regret is that I didn't get this camera like early last year when it was a bit cheaper than now. But anyways, thank God for His provision, and then I want to thank my husband for his support. So yeah, I'm so grateful to him. Like I thank God for his support. Like it's not easy having a partner who supports you in whatever you want to do, right? Like I'm grateful to him, and I know he's going to watch this video, so love you, babes. Also, I want to thank Jenny. Like, how Jenny came into this picture is a very long story, but I just want to thank her because I got the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Okay, so I've been looking for where to get it. All the vendors I know that have been asking online, like they said they don't have it. So Jenny sent me a contact of where I got the camera. Okay, so thank you, Jenny, for the contact. I'm talking about Jenny of Jennifer Roland YouTube channel. Okay, so I have my stuffs here. Yeah, so I got the camera from Nigeria. Then other stuffs I got, apart the memory card and other things I'm going to show you guys, my sister helped me to get them on Amazon. So we ordered for them on Amazon. Fortunately for me, that period she was coming to Nigeria, and yeah, she got them for me. I'm going to be showing you guys the things I bought. Yeah, so I got this Sony grip. Are you guys seen it? Then before we start the unboxing, I got memory cards. I got the camera pouch. I got this charger for the batteries. I got extra tripod, camera tripod, because the Sony tripod doesn't like, you can't stretch it. So I got this tripod as well in case I want to stretch it. I got a big pouch, like where to pack my cameras, maybe if I'm traveling or something, where to pack my camera, my grips, my batteries and everything. I'll show you guys in unboxing. I got batteries. Yeah, I decided I don't want to stress myself. So I got like 3 batteries, extra batteries. The camera came with 1, so I got 3 extra batteries. I opened this one already to be sure it's the battery I wanted. Yeah, so yeah, I got 3 extra batteries. And then this is our camera. So this is the camera itself. I don't know how I'm going to be unboxing this thing. If I should just show you guys like the process of unboxing, then yeah, I don't know, but it's so cute, you guys. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. Okay, so let's just unbox all these ones, then I'll show you guys why unboxing the camera. Just my hand while unboxing the camera, okay? Meanwhile, I got this camera for, let me show you guys. I told you guys I got the Sony ZV Mark 1. No, Sony ZV-1 Mark 2. Yeah, so I got it for 896,000 naira. The camera that was sold for, okay, it was the Sony ZV Mark 1 that was sold 400 and something, 470 when I wanted to get it last year. But this one is 896,000 naira, like 800. Anyways, things we do for content, right? Thank God for his provision. Yeah, so let me show you guys other stuffs before we unbox the main camera. So yeah, I got this, what's it called? I told you guys I got this pouch. I got this pouch. I got everything from Amazon. I can't remember the prices, but if I'm editing it, I'll be putting their prices. So yeah, I got this one. This is the stripe, like the long hand. And then this is where the camera will be, other stuff. I think the grip. I'll just insert the picture of how I saw it before buying it. So yeah, this is our first unboxing. So yeah, I love this. In case I'm traveling, I want to put everything, my cameras and the accessories together. I'll just, yeah, so this is it. Very beautiful. And then, no need of opening this one. I got a memory card. I got them 120 GB and 64 GB. I got this. I'm going to be putting their prices on the screen, okay? And then I got 3 extra batteries. So I got 3 extra batteries. They are all the same thing. 3. I'll be putting the price on the screen, okay? So yeah, this is it. The Sony. You guys seen it? So, and yeah, they all came with this pouch. I think places where you put in the battery after charging them. Very beautiful. I love it. And then this is another thing I got that I love. I saw a video on YouTube and then I saw this. So with this, I can be charging my batteries at once. Let me show you guys. So this is how it is. Are you guys seeing it? 1, 2, 3. You just arrange your battery like this. Then you get is it adapter? What? A charger head. You plug this one and then everything will be charging. Okay, let me test it with this power bank here. To be charging, I just use the power bank for it just to show you guys. The 3 of them will be charging. Are you seeing it? Yeah, so that is it. I'm just loving this thing. Like, I am so happy about this buy. So happy about it. So that is it for this one. Then I told you guys I got a pouch. So I got this pouch for the camera. Yeah, I got this pouch for the camera. What else? I got this tripod stand. I got this one from Nigeria because this one stretches, so I can be using it whenever I want a stretchy camera, a stretchy tripod for my camera. Okay, so yeah, I got this one. Please, I'll be putting the prices on the screen. I can't remember all their prices of heart, so I got this Sony camera, this Sony grip. To be honest, why I got this grip is because I feel I just need it. And I feel I just want to get it, not because I need it. Because it doesn't even stretch. But because I want a complete package for my Sony camera, I decided to go for it. Can you guys see it? So beautiful. Like, are you guys seeing it? It's so beautiful. Yeah, so I got the Sony grip. And then lastly, our camera. So I'll just be showing you guys the process while I'm unboxing it. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see this beauty? So yeah, this is it. Came like this. The manual, the everything. I'll just be going through this ones later. Okay. That aside. So yeah, this is it. And then I think this is okay, yeah, this is the mic. The dead cat, I mean, what are they calling this thing? The mic. So beautiful. That aside. And then this is the battery it came with. This is the battery. Yep. And this is the camera. Are you guys ready? This is the camera itself. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Can you guys see it? So this is the camera. So beautiful. So this is where the battery is meant to be. Open it. Okay, let me just put the battery. Show you guys. So, yep, the battery should be here. Put the battery. Then you close. So yeah, so we'll click on English because it's a touch screen. Not now. I'll do all these ones later. I'll do all those ones later. Woo! Are you guys seeing it? So, yep. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you guys my face now. So you guys, I know this unboxing is just all over the place, but yeah, let's just manage it. So this is it. Can you guys see me? Like, I don't even know how to keep it. Are you guys see me? I've not done any setting anyways. I'm going to do that later. I'm not a camera pro, so I need to just like settle down to do that later. So I think, should we record something? I don't have memory card inside. Oh yeah, I meant to put my memory card. Wait, let me put my memory card and show you guys. So I've inserted the memory card and the battery. I need to set this thing properly because, okay. I think I should do it like this so you guys will see. Exactly. So yeah, I'm not recording anything. Let me hit record. You guys seen it? I think I need to. How am I supposed to do this thing? I don't even know. But you guys are seeing me, right? From the camera here. I don't know. But yeah, so I've not done any setting because I don't know what to do yet. But yeah, I'm still learning on how to like go about it and all that. Let me just turn it this way so I'll be seeing myself as well. So yeah, it's looking very beautiful. Like I've not even done anything. I've not said anything yet, but oh my goodness. I don't know. Maybe before I edit this video, I'll try and get this clip that I'm using here. Can you guys see me? I'll try and get this clip I'm using here just to like to show you guys how clear it is. I'm looking at myself instead of looking at the lens. So that's something we have to learn as well. It's so beautiful, like, it's so cute. What am I supposed to do? I don't even know. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. I think we need to flip it, right? Yep. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing, you guys. We now have a camera, and I love the way this goes all the way, like turning it for selfie and all that. So yeah, you guys, we now have a camera, okay? I just love how everything goes, like flipping it, doing it like this. Are you guys see me? Yeah. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing, you guys. So I didn't add the mic here. The mic is supposed to go in here. Where did I keep the mic again? I'll look for it and then add to that. So yeah, I don't even know if I stopped filming or what. I don't even know. You guys, we now have a camera, and yeah, that is it for this video. I'm just here to show you guys and unbox with you guys my new camera. My daughter is back from school and I need to go and attend to her, so this unboxing is just here and there, I know, but yeah, we're going to manage it, okay? So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a massive one. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a comment in the comment section. You guys should congratulate me. It's not easy. You guys are not ready for my content. Are you guys ready? Yeah, share please if you can. I'll see you in my next video. Meanwhile, I'm just feeling myself, so you guys should just understand me, okay? This is how I'll be talking to you guys. How will I be talking to you guys when I'll be using the camera to be filming? Anyways, I love you guys. Bye.